here it is, minus 12 Fahrenheit. Just cold started the Vanagon. As you can hear, it's not happy. I haven't started it in a week. I've got a interesting one going here. Never encountered this. But when I push the clutch, it's really stiff, which I'm sure the fluid is really thick, but I can't seem to get it into neutral even though it's acting like it. As soon as I let off the clutch, it dies. Yeah, really does not want to run. Sorry about that, annoying. But, I mean, it's super stiff here. I know that's really cold linkage, but it's like my clutch isn't disengaging. Definitely neutral, or supposed to be, but as soon as I start to let the clutch out, it tries to die. So hopefully when it warms up, it'll start working again, but it's kind of hard to drive your only vehicle when it doesn't want to run. I finally got it to idle with the clutch out. Apparently the throw-out bearing or something was engaged and did not want to release. These are definitely cold though. Probably should start this a little more than once a week, but I haven't gone anywhere because of the cold temperatures. I haven't really had a need to leave the house. And this is the weather we've been having for, gosh, for weeks now. It's just clear and sunny, but this is the coldest it's been so far. I heard it was 22 below zero earlier this morning. That's pretty chilly. The power steering pump wasn't happy either when I started turning the wheels back and forth. It was screaming. Well, once I got it moving back and forth and warmed up a little bit, it seemed to be okay. Oh, my doors are froze shut. All the good stuff. Good times. I was kind of thinking about going camping, but it's gonna act like that, maybe not. Now the hinges aren't working. Cool, now my door won't shut. Well, after 10 minutes of running, my temperature gauge is finally starting to move. Clutch is still real stiff, which I'm sure it will be, but it doesn't want to return all the way either. Kind of like right there, it's halfway down. So, yep, it's cold. Definitely not liking this cold weather. How your vehicle tells you it doesn't like the cold weather. Oh, now you're gonna be nice. Let's just make, oh, there it goes. I don't think my heater fan's very happy. It's a good thing I got a brand new one in the house. I'd rather not have to replace it when it's minus 12 or cold